Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2016 Grand Caravan SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 speakers, AM/FM radio, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio, 130, air conditioning, front dual-zone AC, rear window defroster and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.